From earlier.
This is Dordan's answer to the pipe bomb.
There you go.
Watch the cocoa pop.
It's a lot.
Watch the cocoa pop.
What's the cocoa pop?
Watch the cocoa
What's the
pop.
cocoa pop? What does the cocoa pop do?
I don't know.
Does it go pop?
If this works anything like Brainiac, we're all dead.
I'm hiding.
Oh, it's making
Oh,
some funny noises.
look, it's
Fun
yeah,
house.
but it's something to compete. Competing with the scrambled egg.
It's popping.
It's popping.
Are you sure they were
Cocoa
proper
Pop.
original Cocoa Pops and not just cheap shitty Rice Krispies?
No.
Chocolate on?
The
all original.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, the
Look,
original
look.
Cocoa Pop.
The cocoa pop.
Oh my god, it's like popcorn.
Yeah, but it's filled with scrambled egg too.
Was it 1 minute 30 seconds, 1 minute 50 seconds?
Who
know.
knows?
That's been a minute now.
To be fair,
So any time then-
10 minutes to get my tits
Hold on,
out
hold on.
is a lie.
Any time now. In the next minute.
I'll just have to put it on YouTube. And then
Oh
we'll
yes,
We'll share it
on
over.
YouTube, and we've got to explain the scrambled egg bit
Yeah.
because there's
be
eggshell at the back.
Well,
Open the door.
That's assuming. That's
It's
assuming.
not working, Jay. What are you doing?
No, it's assuming like that we all make it out of this weird fucked up science experiment.
I don't. It might take long because it's in a bowl. It takes longer to eat up, right?
Kaboom!
Move.
That ain't fucking interesting, my shit. Look.
What?
To be fair, they look fucking fab at this very,
gonna
very
blow,
minute.
Yeah, look better than mine.
Whoa!
Oh my fucking god!
Video it.
That is
Get that on.